Okay, Jack, let's go hunt. Maybe you could find a partner or something. Don't fall in the water like last time. No scent yet. What? I need a drink. Alright, you got it. You found nothing. Let's just go back. What are you doing on my territory, wolf? I'm sorry, my name is Jackie. And, you're a handsome wolf. Or a husky, whatever you are. Yeah, I'm a husky, but I'm pretty tough, and my name is Jack. And you're pretty too. Hey, I have a question. Do you want to work together? Of course. I've been finding my territory for ages, since I was 17. I'm 20 now. Weird, I'm 21. Cool. Careful with that. Hey, do you have any food? Of course not. Sorry to upset you, but I don't have any food. I want to take a tour. Can I take a tour around your home? Of course, come on. Thanks. Your home is awesome. It will be a pleasure. Oh, my paws need a rest. Lay there? Of course you can. Don't ask. I think I sleep there. One day they fell in love with each other. She's so beautiful. Hey, I want to ask you a question. It's okay if you say no. I mean, it's no big deal. What is it? Would you like to be my mate? Yes, I've been waiting for this. I mean, sure. Thanks. I'm gonna go hunting. You stay here. Okay? Yeah. Oh, look what we got here. A nice tasty wolf for snacks. Brat. Get over here. Let me eat you. Jack, please come back. When who's Jack, the love of your life, huh? Wolf. I'm sorry, Jack. Tiger. No. Prepare to die. What is the meaning of this? Jack, you came. Of course, sweetie. No one ever hurts you. I won't kill you because I'm not a murderer like you. Now run and don't ever show you and your ugly body here on my territory again. Or do not hurt my mate again. Don't even lay a paw against her, or else you'll be meat. Now run, or else I'll have to bite your neck off. This won't be ending now. I'm coming back. Do you know his name? I thought his name was Stripes. Okay. Are you okay, sweetie? Thanks to you. Are you mad? Of course not. Next time, can I go hunting with you, please? Of course, I was gonna say that. I do not want you staying here alone. You're gonna get hurt. And I don't not appreciate if someone killed my mate. Okay. Nothing. Today's the day I tell her the truth. Honey? What, dear? I had a little secret. Tell me this secret. Time to spit it out. I'm not really the man you think I am. What do you mean? I've been to jail a few times. Why? This is my mate. She should know. I punched girls, and I refuse to do that. I'm not a man. I am no man. It's okay. I'm here for you. I killed a cop one time. That made me in jail for till I was 18. And it sucked because I was 13 when I did that. Is that even possible to stay in jail for that long? Forget about your past. Think of the future, honey. Thank you. Well, let's just drop it and have fun. Okay, I'm no man still. You're a man that stays strong for yourself and never give up. All your parents wanted to see is their beautiful son grow up and then find their own territory and be an lone wolf until we found a partner or make a pack. They're probably really happy that you've been through this and really happy that you found me if they know about me. Thanks, you always find a solution to everything. It's okay. Humpty, do you want to stay or come? Staying, my paws hurt. Be careful. He's left. Remember me? Get off me. This is for you, father. Let's run now. An hour later, Jack was done hunting. Go home. Jackie! Are you okay? Open your eyes. Talk to me. I'm sorry. Stay strong. Be free. No, you're not dead, honey. Please don't be dead. I'm so sorry I wasn't there. I'm so sorry. That tiger, he'll pay big time. You found out that I killed her, huh? Hey! Oh, I'm so scared.